Hey there, Adam from Wavve Boating, and today I'm going to show you our web chart viewer. So this is different than our mobile application, but certainly tied to it, and really just a helpful tool for planning out routes, checking out our charts from the comfort of your home. Maybe prefer to look at our maps on a laptop or a desktop. So that's what this facilitates. So if you haven't been before, head to our website at waveboating.com and we will get started. Right at the top menu, you will see free chart viewer. So as you might be able to guess from that naming, this is something that you can use without a Wavve Boating subscription, but there certainly is some added value to having an account and a subscription to Wavve. So as you can see here, you will be brought into this map view. You can check out our charts. So just like what you're used to in the mobile application, we've got depths, channel markers, special purpose buoys, contour lines. That's all kind of shown here on the Wavve Boating map. And the key features here are related to route planning. So I will just walk you through that. So over here on the left, you'll see plus new routes. You can tap that and you're given two options. You can do an auto route or a manual route. So an example here with manual route, just kind of again like the experience in the application, you can select add waypoints. If you grab one of these vertices, you can actually adjust the waypoints. And then you'll see up here there's a estimated time to complete this particular route. If you tap that little drop down menu, you can change that automatic average speed. So go a little bit faster, 25 miles per hour. 25 minutes to complete this particular route, and then this is where you can name it, and I'll get to the saving functions in a second here. Just wanted to then show you quickly as well, similar to the mobile application, you have our auto routing functionality as well, where you can pick any two origin destinations points, just simply clicking on the map to set them, tap calculate. We'll just let Wavve Boating figure out the rest. It's just automatically calculating a route for me, following nautical channels, avoiding obstacles. And really the neat thing with this is, and I'll just show you here, this syncs with your Wavve Boating account that you have in the mobile application itself. So any routes that you create here, plan them out and save them, they will then save to your Wavve Boating account on your mobile phone. So you can, plan at home and follow those routes on the water with your phone. Similarly, I will just show you here quickly. I'm going to log into my account. So anything that I've actually created in the application itself will also list here as my route. So, I can click. Here's a route that I did an automatic route. I can adjust the vertices for this. And that's that as well. So again, just new route, tap, calculate. Once that's done, I can hit save, name it, and it will actually show right on my account. Any questions related to that, please reach out to our team anytime at community@waveboating.com, and we will be more than happy to help you out. Have a wonderful day.